Are you aware of the consequences of littering? Can you give some of the consequences of littering common consequences? Do you litter? Ano ate, ano po sa tingin niyo yung kung bakit po yung mga students po ng BEDA wala pong pakialam sa mga kalat sa paligid po?
Ano?
Ay, for waiting!
Ano ba? Wait lang. Paano ba? Ano ba yung sagot mo? Kasi yung iba kasi estudyante kasi hindi na minsan hindi natuturuan sa magulang. Yung iba na yung pagliligpit nila, yung pag-ayos ng mga things nila, ganyan. Tapos yung minsan din yung school din. Kapag hindi sila sumisita, kahit nagkakalat na yun dyan, dapat, pag may mga kalat, dapat inaano na yung estudyante sa mga teacher, na ganun, oy dapat ganun, ligpitin nyo yan, dapat huwag kayong magkalat dyan, dahil bawal, ganyan.
Okay, thank you po.
Okay.
ate.
By little things, you can do your part to help save the environment. By just picking up litters, you're already doing your part. Doing a small part will go a long way. It may start out as a small thing, but when everyone joins in, it will be a big thing that will help save our environment. It can start out in San Bella. Clean as you go, recycle as you throw. When everyone joins in and cooperates, it'll make a big change to our environment here. No more straight plastic cups, no more candy wrappers, and other stuffs. Remember, a true Bedouin knows how to be responsible about his or her environment.